While Florida property values have surged in recent years, this has come at a cost to taxpayers squeezed by increasing local government property taxes. Taxpayers need relief. You buy a home, you pay off the mortgage, and yet you still have to write a check to the government every year just for the privilege of living on your own private property. Is the property yours, or are you just renting it from the government? And I know members of the legislature are studying the issue in anticipation of formulating a proposal to place on the 2026 ballot so that we can provide constitutional protections for Florida homeowners. Please know you have my support in this endeavor. Oh, and one other thing. Don't let anyone tell you we're going to seek to raise state taxes, because this body will not pass tax increases and this governor will not sign any tax increases.